So my first unboxing video for Cheap Tech Review. So the summer is coming to Sweden, and we live in a wooden house, and it gets real hot even at night time. So I thought that I would try to buy. I bought this small personal air fan and cooler from Beurer. I think it's pronounced something like that. Sorry for that pronunciation. Maybe it's a German company or something. So the delivery on this was actually crazy fast. So it was under 24 hours, which is like super fast in Sweden at least. So it cost $45 US. So if this works, it's actually very cheap. I will use it in our small bedroom. So it's 40 watts, I think, and yeah, let's see. So first you have a bottle you fill with water, a little bit smaller than I thought. You got a micro USB cable, maybe 1.5 meters, about that length. You get a thick instruction. I think I skipped that one. You got warranty and just packaging. And then you got this teeny tiny fan and cooler. So first off, it weighs not that much. It is quite cheap plastic all around, except this it should be fake. Okay, then you have this pull out with the bottle in. Oh, it's quite neat actually. We have a 5-volt input. You have the micro USB. Yeah, very plastic. So and also you got this little cap for the bottle, I think, when you're not using it. Let's try to put this over. Just push it out like that. Okay. So I have been using it for a week now. During the daytime, I have a small solar system, so I run it in my kitchen, where I have put together so that I have power for it from the solar. Okay, so it has 3 steps. The first is very silent. It does not come so much airflow. It has a second. Sounds a bit. Actually, if you open it fully, then the sound goes down, and then you have that effect of the turbulence and pointing it down. And this is the third mode that I run it all the time, because then it actually cools. So it works fine. I have been using it for my daughter in the night, pointing at her bed, and it works good. I've been using it in my home office. It works very well. Here in the kitchen, not so much. Maybe it's, the room is too big. But yeah, it's a good product. I will inform you later on if it stops working or anything, but for the moment it works great.